Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks, and today we are making Kamikaze Cocktail. It's a very popular vodka cocktail that was created after World War II in Japan in American naval base, and it had its fair share of popularity during the vodka cocktail's reign of the 1970s and 1980s. It's real easy to make, 3 ingredients only, and without further ado, let's make a kamikaze. So of course, as a vodka based cocktail, we need vodka, 45 ml, 1.5 ounce, followed by an orange liqueur of your choice. Of course, the recipe says triple sec, but you can use Cointreau or something else, but we're going to use triple sec. It's 30 ml, 1 ounce. And last ingredient is fresh lime juice. So we're going to cut this lime in half. And we're going to squeeze it. We need one more. Actually, we'll need more. These Brazilian limes are very small, obviously. That's it. 1 ounce, 30 ml. Now we need ice. And we are going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now we need a chill glass. Discard the ice. And we are going to double strain the cocktail into our chill glass. Look at that. Beautiful. Garnish with a lime wedge. And that's it, ladies and gents. The kamikaze. Cheers! Strength of vodka, sourness of lime juice. You can taste a little bit of triple sec, but lime is dominant. But it's nice, it's quite refreshing and quite strong. Old school. And that's it, ladies and gents. We made a kamikaze, really easy to make. Vodka, triple sec, lime juice. Refreshing, a little bit sour, but you're going to love it. If you like strong cocktails, this one's for you, and I definitely recommend. And that's it. Short, quick video today. If you like what you see, please hit that like button and subscribe. It means a lot. It helps the channel. Thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you soon in a new video. Bye bye.